In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your assessment results on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Assessments are a great way to showcase your skills to potential employers on Indeed, and once you've completed them, you'll likely want to see how you did. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make sure you are logged into your Indeed account. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to do that first. Simply navigate to Indeed.com and click on Sign In at the top right corner. Enter your credentials, and you'll be taken to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon, usually located at the top right of your screen. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Assessments. This is where all your assessment activity is stored. Now that you're on the Assessments page, you'll see a list of the tests you've taken. Each assessment will display your results next to the respective test. Just locate the assessment you want to check, and you'll notice a summary of your score. But let's not stop there. To get more details, click on the specific assessment. Here, you'll see more in-depth information about your performance, including not just the overall score, but also a breakdown of how you did in different areas of the test. This can give you valuable insights into your strengths and areas for improvement. If you notice that you didn't score as well as you hoped, don't get discouraged. Many assessments can be retaken. Just check the assessments page for options regarding retaking the test, and you'll be able to improve your score if you feel ready. Now, for those of you who might want to share your results with potential employers, Indeed offers an easy way to do that. You can download your assessment results and include them in your job applications or share them directly with employers. This is a fantastic way to highlight your skills and stand out in the competitive job market. As you're browsing your results, you might notice that the assessments cover various skill sets, from technical skills like software proficiency to more general abilities such as problem solving. Taking multiple assessments can really give employers a well-rounded view of your capabilities. Additionally, remember that Indeed constantly updates its assessments to reflect the current job market demands. So, if you don't see an assessment for a skill you want to showcase, check back every so often. You'll be surprised at how often new assessments are added. And that's really all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily view your assessment results on Indeed and leverage them to enhance your job search. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips. Remember, your job hunt can be a reflection of your skills, and viewing your assessment results is a key part of understanding how to present yourself to employers effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy job hunting.